understand that school mornings can be hectic, but that doesn't mean your hair should be neglected. In this video, we've carefully chosen a variety of cute hairstyles that are not just simple to do but will also make you stand out as a trendsetter among your classmates. Are you ready? Here we go. Look number 1. Bow braided hair. Comb the hair first, then divide it into 2 equal parts on each side. Now I'll show you how I did this part on the left side, and we'll do the same thing here on the right side. Section about a quarter part of the hair on top, but don't include your baby hairs or else you'll look bald. Tie it with a rubber band at the position behind the ear and at the same level as the eyebrow. It doesn't matter if it is loose. You can still pull it tight like this. After tying the hair, we will now make the ribbon thing by folding the hair 3 times using a rubber band starting near the last strand of the hair. Fold the last hair like this. Then wrap it around here to make that ribbon design. Don't forget to tie it or else the hair will fall out. After tying, make another fold for the final touch. Then we will add the clip in the middle for the design. You can adjust the size of the bow if you want. If there is a small tuft of hair here, you can use a clip to fix it and it will disappear. Now let's start braiding the hair below. Divide the hair into 3 equal parts and tie them into braids. This way, these braids are done. Take a look at this look from the side. If you're lazy to braid your hair, you can just wear them like this and it will look fine. Look number 2. French style updo. First, we need to select about a half of the hair. Start curling the right hair like this. Then set it aside in the back to tie them together up later, using this clip. Curl the other side, then tie them together. Twist the hair to fix it and tie it up with a rubber band. You need to loosen it a little for convenience. Now part the hair into 2, then tie it in a braid. After fixing and tying these hair, we need to wrap it around the 2 bunches of hair we made earlier. Select and rub this hair, and then lift it up and twist it in for about 3 times. Just circle around and you'll be done. After winding, this is the effect. Do the same on the other side. Then, use a rubber band to tie them up together. This is how it looks like in the front, but if you look in the back, there are some hair left. We will wound it up and stuffed it into the hole in the big slit like this. Now curl the remaining hair and wrap it around stuffing inside. Get a big clamp and wrap all the curled hair. You can use this clip to fix it. We're not done yet because we need to add accessories to finish this look. Get this cute black ribbon and clip them on both sides. Look number 3. Low ponytail. This hairstyle is very simple, but it requires long hair. That's why we will going to use a wig piece. Choose a wig that is long, curly and has the same color as your hair. As you can see, this wig is very thin. It will look invisible when you put it on your hair. Part your hair slightly to the side, then stick your wig. Cover it with the hair you parted earlier. See the difference? The hair almost doubled in an instant. Add another wig on the left side, then part the hair to begin styling. First, divide this hair into 2, then get a rubber band to tie it. Dig this out in a hole and wrap it around in a circle for about 2 to 3 times. Leave a hole after twisting, then take the hair from the back to insert. After it is done, you can straighten it out like this. Tie it up again using a rubber band to secure the ponytail. This part has a very nice curvature. and you can adjust it on both sides. Of course, you can still use your own real hair, but if it's not long enough, you may not have the same effect. I suggest that girls with long hair can try it. Once you put it on the back or in the front, it will look great. You can add different types of hair accessories for this hairstyle. Look number 4. Half ponytail. If you can look at the back, it should not be messy. This hairstyle was modified based on the braid of the previous look. Are you ready? Let's begin. Just like what we did in the second look, divide the hair into 2 and select a half of the hair. Tie it up and pull it down a little. Do the same on the other side. After tying, cross them up together at the back. Wrap it a few times according to your hair volume. Lift the hair up and let this clip fix it. It will look like this at the back. After that, you can pull the hair on top and pull some hair out like this. This way, the hairstyle will be tied up and it will be considered a half up. When tying your hair into a ponytail, leave out the sideburns on both sides. Decorate the sides with your favorite clips and you're done. It may feel different every time you tie it out. If you are not satisfied, you can readjust it. Look number 5. Double ponytail. This is the second time I took this look because the previous one was ugly, so I took it easy and came up with a rule of thumb. When you tie your twin tails, don't tie them too high, or else it will have a gap or a curvature in the front. To begin with, divide the hair into equal parts. Then tie the double ponytail. Remember to tie it behind the ears. If you look at the front, you won't be able to see the gap, which will make it look like there's a lot of hair. We will going to be using this scrunchies today so that it'll be looser and it will look better. Tie it into 2 circles. Now the hair looks big. You can tie the hair and pull it in so that it will be tighter. Do the same on the other side. You can adjust the symmetry of the 2 sides. The hair on the top of the head can be pulled out a little. This is the height of a double ponytail that I think looks better. You must pay attention to this height. Just be sure not to tie it too high. Try to be at this position behind the ear. For the second one, we will use this cute black headband, but we need to change the hair tie with a rubber band. Without a headband, it would look a bit boring. Arrange your bangs both sides, otherwise it will look awkward. Bald suddenly felt that this comb is very useful. If you comb it vertically like this, the bangs that come out will be surprisingly smooth, and the gap is just right. If you are lazy, you can stop here, because we will be curling both sides of the hair separately. Use a curling iron like this,